Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make true sloping road and false sloping road. Okay, first of all we have to use a 2-point arc right here. You can draw with any size of the curve. It just feel free to drawing it. I will give you a false way when you draw a sloping road anyway. You can use offset it. Okay, okay, maybe something like this. Then you have complete this line anyway. You can complete this line. Then you can push it with any size as you want. Okay, just make it group, and after that you have to make a rectangle, and then you have to push it up with around 1500 millimeter. Okay, and then you have to move it to back, and then you have to push it until it's approach the red axis, until it approach this end of corner, and then you have to move it down anyway to make a sloping. Then you have to move it to the top, then you can position on with intersect with the object, and then you have to intersect this. Then first of all you have to select this, and second you have to select this, and then you have to intersect it. Okay, for temporary it look like a true way to make a sloping road, but it the false way. I will tell you about how to make a true sloping road anyway. I will explain to you in the end of video, after I show you to make a true sloping road. Okay, first of all you have to make a 2-point arc anyway. You have to make a 2-point arc, and then you can use it with the same okay, just make the same arc on with the previous method anyway. Then you have offset for any size, and then you can clear this basic line. Okay, and then you have to erase it. Okay, and then this is a true way to make a sloping road, which is you have to select this curve, this one side of the curve for the first, and then you have to right click and just weld edge. Okay, and do the same with this curve, and right click and select weld edge. Okay, and then you have to make a vertical line with the blue axis, two vertical line with any height or any size. Okay, this line is used to move up on a blue axis on a blue axis is around 1500 millimeter. It's the same value with the previous method, and then you have to move it also 1500 millimeter. Okay, and you get the same elevation anyway. Okay, you get the same elevation, and just erase it. Okay, and after that you have to select this line all, and then you can select this draw sandbox and select this from contour. Okay, so you will see it, and then you have to select this option. You have to select this soften edge, and then move it to the left side at all. until it null degree, and then you have to delete some unnecessary line here anyway until it's look clear on unnecessary line. Okay, and then you can move it again on the right side on with a little bit movement. Okay, maybe something like this. So this is the true way to make a sloping road anyway. Okay, I will explain you, because this road are get a miss sloping here, but this it's just flat, and I will explain to you. When you draw the sloping road, you have to make sure that the road on this position are flat, not sloping right here anyway. I hope you understand what I mean. And okay, that's all I have to explain to you. I have to inform to you that the true way to make a sloping road is on a right side, because on the left side it's only maybe you can use this way to make just for sculpture or just for another function, but not a road. If you wanna make a road, you have to make the second method as I explained to you just now. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.